Hey guys, this is Chris again, coming at you with another unboxing review. Today's unboxing is the Ocean Crawler, the Core Diver from Ocean Crawler Watches. Quick wristwatch check. I'm wearing the Zelos. But on the unboxing. Pretty nice little case it comes with. Nothing too fancy. Little booklet. Shows all the other different colorways. Some of their other models. Pretty cool little booklet. Put on to the watch. As you can see, I went with the orange dial with the blue bezel. Here's the warranty card. Pretty cool little warranty card. It came on the mesh bracelet. About the only negative I have about the bracelet is the butterfly clasp. Other than that, it's a really nice bracelet. I just have to resize it to fit my wrist. Probably take off a couple of links, so it's a bit big. But it's a nice mesh, so, and it looks killer on the mesh. But like I said, that butterfly clasp kind of makes it kind of hard to put on your wrist whenever it's on your wrist. It's about my only negative. So I switched over to the leather strap that came with it. It came with a pretty nice leather strap. This is a 44mm lug, or 44mm watch, excuse me. 22mm lugs, and it's a pretty thick case. It's 15.6mm thick, which is a pretty thick case because, as you guys know, the depth on this is down to 2,000 feet, and Christian pressure tests each one of these watches. So that's a lot of depth ratings. That's why the thick case, it comes with that Sellita movement. It's the SW300, I believe. Bezel action is 120 clip bezel. Pretty nice bezel action. And I went with that bright orange. As you know, I'm a Clemson fan. It's got that silver, the silver applied indices just to kind of offset on the dial, with the silver lining around the outside of the dial. As you know, the brighter colors are easier, red and water, or underwater rather, so they're easier to read. Each piece is limited to 83 pieces. Which is pretty cool. You probably won't see one around or out in the wild anyways. Unless you're like at a watch event or something like that. So nobody's going to have the one that you have. Well, case back shot. This is a decent sized watch, but it really doesn't wear as big as the specs state. Like I said, it's 44mm piece, but it wears more kind of like my Xingyi one I used to have, where it had bigger specs but it didn't really wear as big as it is. It's got that cushion style case. Here's how it wears on my 7.5-inch wrist. Not bad at all. Like I said, that dial is just killer. It kind of pops out at you. Like I said, they have the blue dial. And they have a black dial. Kind of different kind of color options. This has been a quick unboxing and review, part 1 of the Ocean Core Diver from Ocean Crawler. Let me know what you guys think down there. I pre-ordered this from A Time to Watch. At the time of the pre-order, it was $750, and they are now back up to $1,000 regular price. So whenever you get the Ocean Crawler watches, I would definitely recommend getting them on pre-order. They're definitely worth $1,000. Like I said, there's a lot of specs for that watch. So they're still worth that same price too. Like I said, I got mine from A Time to Watch. I'll leave the website down there in the description below. Emilio will be happy to help you out. Overall, I'd definitely recommend this. I'd say it's about 8 out of 10 watch. Got that date window down there at the 6. Smaller date window, which you know I'm not a big date window person. But alright guys, this has been Chris. Let me know what you think down there in the comments. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Alright, peace.